age it is? Can you guess our topic by seeing those photos? Yes, it is awareness of barren land. This barren land can be used in many ways such as agriculture and power. But the people are wasting it by throwing waste materials such as plastics and etc.
Hi friends, everyone knows that plastics are the very important one which makes the land barren. But do you know why? Because plastic took billion years for the degradation process. For making this problem solved, we have an idea. We can have fertilizers such as zinc, potassium and sodium. These are the main fertilizers which are used by the farmers nowadays. In India, this process is used briefly. Now, let me show a project which I have did. You can see this soil in the potassium and sodium which are fertilized in the soil. This soil is well prepared to plant seeds. This may give a better idea for the farmers. This is one method which is used for making a barren land into a fertilized land.
First, do you know a thing? The plant grows with the help of the seeds. The first step in growing the plant is to sow the seeds. You first sow the seeds like this, then pour water in the plants, then the plant grows very efficiently.
After the sowing process, farmers usually come and water these plants. After a couple of months, these plants will grow like this. This plant is a maize plant. Farmers usually give these maize plants to they sell it or else they give it to the cow. After it's grown up, the farmers will harvest it. Never gonna harvest it. But during harvesting, the farmers use one weapon. With this weapon, I'm gonna harvest these plants. And this is after harvested, the process continues, and again this fertile land will change to barren land, and this process continues. I'm going to give conclusion for all the topics. We all clean the land and plow the cow. The first step for growing plants is to sowing the seeds. Then Nimisha throw the fertilizers on grown plants. The last step is harvesting the plants. After harvesting, the land will be barren again. This process continues. The harvested crop is sold by the farmers or given to the animals. Then in a barren land, we made a park, so the children can play at the evening without any disturbance from the neighbors. At last, we made a garden in